At Metroeast Mortuary, we understand that saying goodbye is a deeply profound journey. Our mission is to craft compassionate and personalized services that honor the unique life of your loved one. Whether you're planning ahead or facing a sudden loss, we offer comprehensive services tailored to your needs. From pre-need funeral planning to respectful cremation and green burials, we cater to every preference. We honor traditions from all backgrounds, ensuring ceremonies reflect your loved one's rich tapestry of life. Through personalized tributes, we celebrate the essence of your loved one with stories, music, and cherished memories. With locations in Illinois and Missouri, we're here to support you 24/7 with compassionate guidance. For immediate assistance or to learn more about us, call 888-532-5552 or visit our website, Metroeast Mortuary. Compassionate care for every family, every time.